Students, in this video, we are going to see exercise 4.2, question number 14, subdivisions 1 and 2. So, how many strings are there using the letters of the word intermediate? If the vowels of consonants are alternative, all the vowels are together. So, now let us take this word intermediate. I have separated the terms. Now, in this intermediate, how many vowels we have? We have I, E, I, A, E, total 6 vowels. And what are the consonants? The other 6 are consonants. Now, if you see the first question, the vowels and consonants are alternative. Okay, so the first one is vowels and consonants are alternative. Consonants are alternative. So, let's see this first subdivision. Now, this first subdivision let us consider in two cases. So, the first case is, suppose let's see the first place carries a vowel, or I can say the number of words, the number of strings, otherwise the number of strings that starts with vowels. So the number of strings that starts with vowels means, now suppose see here, I can have 6 vowels, right? Altogether we have 6 vowels. So if I start with the vowel, let us take vowel 1, second vowel, third vowel, fourth vowel, fifth vowel and sixth vowel. Suppose if I start with the vowels, now here how many vowels that we have? How many vowels we are having? 6 vowels. So 6 vowels means they can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, because total number of 6 and here also 6, right? So all 6 vowels can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. And also if you see in the vowels, I is repeated twice, so that repetition 2 factorial, and E is repeated thrice, so therefore E is repeated for 3 factorial. And also now the remaining places, so remaining places means I should take this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here also I can have, but I should not take the first one, I mean the consonants. Why I am not taking here means because I have considered the first case as if I start with vowel, okay, if I start with vowel means vowel should be there, so consonants I can't take before. So now how many places are there for the consonants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places are there, because the question is vowels and consonants are alternative. So 6 places are there for the consonants, and total number of consonants are already 6. So in those 6 places, and all the 6 consonants can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. And here in consonants, T is repeated twice, so therefore by 2 factorial. Okay, so this is the first case. Now let's see the second case. What is the second case now? The same way, suppose if you take the second case as B. Now let us consider that a number of strings that starts with consonants. Okay. So now here consonants means now totally 6 consonants we have. So let us take 6 consonants. So C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, 6 consonants. Now 6 consonants can be arranged. The number of permutations can be in 6 factorial ways. Now in this consonants, how many are repeated? T is repeated twice, so by 2 factorial. Okay, next followed by, now in here since it starts with the consonant, so in between only we should have vowel. So let us take how many places we have for vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places we have for vowels. Okay, so 6 places, and total number of vowels are also 6. So 6 places and 6 vowel means we can write it as 6p, 6 ways we can arrange, or the same thing only I am writing here as 6 factorial, 6p, 6 ways, or directly you can write it as 6 factorial. So all 6 vowels can be arranged in 6 places in 6 factorial ways, and I is repeated twice, E is repeated thrice. So you will get 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So now the total number of ways is equal to, total number of ways is equal to 6 factorial by Now here also we have 6 factorial by the same thing, and here also the same 6 factorial by 2 factorial and 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, the same thing. So maybe you can do this calculation and then finally we can add these two. So what is 6 factorial? Let's write down 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into, you can write down like 3 factorial whole divided by 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 3 factorial into 6 factorial again. So 6 factorial is nothing but 5 factorial is 120, so 6 factorial is 720 whole divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So 3 will get cancelled. Now 2 2s are 4. So this 4 and 4 also will get cancelled. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. And then, so here you have 6 5s are 30. 30 into 720. So 30 into 720. So 2 zeros. 3 2s are 6. And then 3 7s are 21. So this is 21,600. Then the same answer also you will get here, 21,600. So the total number of ways is equal to 21,600 plus 21,600. So if I add, we'll get 2 zeros, 6 plus 600 2, and then 3, 2 plus 2 4. So 43,000 43,200. So 43,200 is the final answer. Now let's see the second subdivision. So what is the second subdivision here? All vowels are together. Okay, so second subdivision is all vowels are together. Now what is that all vowels are together? All vowels, so all 6 vowels. So let me do the second subdivision. All the vowels are together. Now here consonants are totally 6. Now since all vowels together I should take means this vowels you should consider as one unit. Okay, so now all vowels one unit plus 6 consonants, so totally 7. So the number of ways that we can do, or the number of arrangements, or the number of words are nothing but total 7 factorial, because all the 6 consonants and this all vowels are together means we can consider it as one unit. So 6 plus 1 total it becomes 7 factorial into, now again in this one term all this I, E, A, again all this will arrange among themselves in 6 factorial ways, because these are 6 letters. 6 letters will arrange among themselves in 6 factorial ways, whole divided by what are that are repeated. So in consonants only T is repeated twice, so write down 2 factorial. Now in this vowels I is repeated twice and E is repeated thrice, so write down 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Now 7 factorial, what is 7 factorial? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial into 6 factorial is 6 factorial is nothing but 720. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Again one more 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial, you just leave it as 3 factorial. So clearly 3 factorial gets cancelled. Now 2 2s are 4. So 4 and 4 also will get cancelled. Now we have 6 5s are 30. 30 into 7. So you will get 210 into 720. So clearly 2 zeros will be there. So 72 into 21. So you will get, with 1 if you multiply you will get 72. With 2 if you multiply you will get 144. So 2 1 5 1. So 1 5 1 2 2 zeros is your final answer for the second subdivision.